What's surprising about the speaker is the price. For about 2,500 pesos, you can get yourself a bookshelf speaker with decent amount of sound quality and minimalist design. Now let's see if it's worth it and if it's the right one for you. This is Kevin from nerdcaveph. Let's begin with the review of the MICROLAB H30BT Bluetooth speakers. For its price of 2,500 pesos, you get the Bluetooth functionality, which in my opinion adds to the value of the speaker. Now the design is very simple. You get the volume rocker here on the side with treble and bass level adjustment. It is very clean and modern, no curves or sharp edges that you get from other speakers. Just plain and simple, which I truly appreciate. And it's really built well, and it has a weight on it. Now the package comes with several sets of cables, pretty much straightforward. Now setting up the Bluetooth is very easy, even your kids can do it. Though it's important to note that when it's in Bluetooth mode, there's an LED light here that turns on and off constantly, which kind of annoying, especially when you're in a dark room. It's really noticeable. Now I prefer the look without the cover on, so let's remove it for now. But this is of course a matter of personal preference. I just like to see the bass vibrates when it's booming. I think it's really cool. It also has a metal stand which I think is very sturdy, and it has a rubber footing which is great. But I'm not a fan of it. But it is small enough to notice it when you're far away, so I don't mind it. Or you can just remove it by removing the screws at the bottom to have a cleaner look. But for now, let's leave it at that. So now let's do the thing you've been waiting for. Let's check the sound quality. Though I have to note that what you'll hear is a bit different than in person, because you have to understand that this will go through my mic, then editing and processing, then YouTube does some kind of compression on it, but I'll do my best to keep it as plain as possible. So here we go. I'm not an expert in sound quality, very far from it, but my ears are quite happy. And as for my taste, it has an ample amount of volume, though after 75% of volume you'll hear some distortion. But I like the way it sounds overall for its price. The bass is punchy, it has a nice highs and mids. I can hear the music element separations quite well. I think for the price, it's really decent. It's pretty decent, especially when you're on a tight budget and you want some great sounding speakers with a clean modern look. Get this one, guys. Now I'm curious, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and smash that like button. That's all, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.